Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Vital Surge for Men Gummies. I actually have this on Amazon right now, and let's look at the reviews. So right here, they're rated 3 out of 5 stars, which should raise a red flag since for a product to be good, it should be like 4 above. Okay, so 31% rated 1 star, so after the warranty that works within 2 weeks. I always wonder why they sell more than one bottle. It doesn't work at all. Pay attention to those advertising AI generated probably. And the 4-star review said it's a good product. It can work well with others. It's not a very good review. I don't know why he said like most of these I think are fake. Like I used to blah 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 blah. And yeah, maybe this one is real. And let's go ahead and over here to Walmart actually, which all of the they're rated 3.3 out of 5 stars. So recently, most recent reviews are 1 star or 2 stars. So all a hoax, did not do what they said it would do. Never buy these. This supplement does not work. It doesn't work, I promise. And many people are saying that it doesn't work. So I advise you to buy this with caution. So I think it doesn't actually work since companies can actually rate themselves by creating accounts on Amazon. So these numbers are easily skewed by bot accounts or other accounts that can increase the rating of the product. However, based from the reviews on the people had, I think you shouldn't buy these since from this standpoint, from 3.3 out of 5 and 3 out of 5 here. So I think it doesn't actually work. Even if all the reviews were real, or all the 5-star reviews were real, 3 isn't a good score for a product. So yeah, you should just stick to regular or real proteins or strength enhancing supplements, and not this one. So yeah, that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.